In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Moneygram account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up Moneygram. Make sure to log in if you haven't. Then from here, you want to click onto your user profile located at the top left-hand corner of the page. Then from here, scroll down to the bottom of the page and it's going to say delete profile. So go ahead and click on delete profile. And then it's going to open up a web page. Click on accept cookies. All right, so once we're on this page, we need to scroll down. And then where it says managing my account, it says how do I delete my profile? This company's making it hard for you people to delete their profiles they want to keep it on their platform for as long as possible because they make money off of their customers. So as it states here, due to certain regulatory requirements, Moneygram is subject to your profile may be required to be retained for a certain period of time. To submit a profile deletion request, please click here. So go ahead and click here. This is going to transfer us to another page. Now it's going to show you your rights and then just fill out this form. So I am, select custom employee, other, and then put in your, please select your request type. So delete my, all right, so choose delete my personal information. Then from here, put in your first name, last name, phone number, put in your email, your residency of, and then click by submitting this request. And then go ahead and click on submit request. You can also email these guys and say you'd like to delete your account as well to speed up the process.